a lot of products we're going to be announcing at CES. This is a sneak preview, and one of them in particular is our Digital Entertainer Elite, which is the follow-up from our Digital Entertainer HD, which we announced and launched at CES 2 years ago.
And that's what we're going to look at right now.
Today we're going to look at the Digital Entertainer Elite right now.
And that's it right now.
Here it is right now. As you can see, it's still a DVD type layout. It's wide, fits underneath your television and in your rack there.
What are the specs on it?
Well, here, quick specs. If you look at everything that we do on our Digital Entertainer HD, it does that and many more. So it does up to 1080p video. It's got HDMI out, optical out. It's got SCART, component, composite, all the inputs and outputs. Big distinction here is now we have 11N dual band wireless. So you have both the 2.4 gigahertz frequency and the 5 gigahertz frequency. The big advantage there is if you're streaming HD video, now you don't have to worry about all the interference in your home network. For example, your wireless, your microwave turns on, or your cordless phone is going. 5 gigahertz allows you to avoid the interference, and you still get a real smooth video stream. So that's one of the big distinctions. The second one is we're using a much more robust and modern chipset for the video decode. So a lot more video codecs we can support right now. With a lot more memory and more horsepower in there. So the videos you can support now, Blu-ray quality video we can stream. Blu-ray rips, for example, we can stream. And we put, if I'll show you right now, we put a internal hard drive bay, and we're going to be shipping it with a 500 gig hard drive. We've got a full YouTube UI. We're taking advantage of the APIs that they've published, so we can take advantage and play all the YouTube video out there. And now we've got some new hooks in here. We can play even the 720p YouTube videos that they've are allowing customers to post.
Sure.
So for example, I'll do a search, and I've already actually typed in our president-elect. Okay. Okay, and before we start here, I'm going to hit stop on the video, on the HD video. Is this the HD one, Frank? Does it look like it? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click play. It's going to start to cache. Now, YouTube video on the HD is going to about 2 megabit downstream, and we're in a, one thing I didn't tell you, we're in a bar in San Francisco downtown, and we're all sharing one internet connection here, so we don't have a tremendous pipe to the network. However, with 2 megabits, you'll be surprised at the kind of video that YouTube's able to stream and that we're able to play. So bear with me for a second. Bear with me for a second here. All right. So immediately, I'm going to blow this up to the large screen. Right.
Wow.
So that's live stream right there, and I can tell you, I haven't seen live streaming of that quality, without having serious caching on the hard drive in some time. So I think it's pretty impressive. Now, once that infrastructure is there, you can imagine they create the platform. Within months, there's going to be a ton of HD video out there.
Sure.
Ready to download stream.
Sure.